The fungus does not kill immediately. First, it takes control. Chemicals flood the fly's
Deep
nervous
in the
system.
rainforest, where sunlight barely reaches the ground, life finds other ways to be seen. A field scientist arrived here to study something rare, a fungus that produces its own light.
Bioluminescent fungi. They glow through a natural chemical reaction.
Soft, green, almost hypnotic. At first glance, it feels harmless.
He set up his equipment and waited, watching how the forest changed when darkness took over. That's when he noticed something subtle, something easy to miss.
The insects weren't moving randomly. They were drifting, slowly, deliberately, toward the light.
Moths, beetles, tiny flies, all drawn in, as if guided.
They landed directly on the glowing surface, one after another.
Some stayed longer than expected. Others didn't move again at all.
There was no struggle, no obvious danger, just stillness.
Deep within the rainforest, life and death move together in silence. A single fly lands on a glowing fungus, unaware that invisible spores are already invading its body. The infection begins slowly. Cell by cell, the fungus spreads beneath the exoskeleton, and soon, the
fly will no longer belong to itself. It becomes a puppet.
The fungus does not kill immediately. First, it takes control. Chemicals flood the fly's nervous system,
forcing it higher into the forest canopy. Every movement is no longer instinct, but manipulation.
The parasite needs elevation, because from above, the spores can spread farther.
Night after night, the infected carriers spread deeper into the jungle. Each movement releases millions of spores. Leaves become infected. Bark begins to glow. Fallen trees awaken with eerie green light. What started inside one tiny fly is now transforming the entire forest.
Bioluminescence may not be for beauty at all. It may be a strategy. By attracting insects, the fungus increases its chances of spreading spores, its movement, behavior, even safety. A simple mechanism, but incredibly precise.
He kept observing, but something about it began to feel different.
The glow wasn't just light anymore. It was influence. A signal that something else was responding to.
He wrote in his notes that night, "The system is efficient, silent, unnoticed."
No teeth, no speed, no violence, just attraction and timing.
In nature, not every hunter chases. Some simply wait and let the light do the work. Subscribe to Fungi Files for more intriguing documentaries.